making a face fan game 3 home scratch. So in the last episode we did the office and we started working on the cameras. In this episode we're gonna complete the cameras. So just gonna get some sprites made. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna make is like a little thing inside the camera that has a white box around it. So we're just gonna call this cam inside, and I'm just gonna add like some darkness so it hides all the cruddy details, like that. Then like a white outline with nothing in it, just makes it look a bit better. Right, and the code we need for this one is flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, hide when I receive screen show, and when I receive screen hide. And yeah, that's it for right now. And then cameras, what we're gonna do is I have just like a sprite with all my camera sprites, just all of them here, and one that's completely blank, that's called invis. So what we're gonna do is when I receive, actually we can just copy and paste everything from the cam inside. Just when I receive screen hide and screen show, hide and show, and then when the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0. And then what we need is all the broadcasts going to each camera. So I have 6 cameras in mind. You can add more if you want. But when I receive, make a new message, call it cam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Five, 6, and I just make a switch to whichever ones that you have. So cam 1, I have that as monitors. Cam 2, hall 1. Cam 3's prizes. Cam 4 is the stage. Then it's hall 2 and parts. Alright, then what we're going to do is when I receive in-game forever glide 2 seconds to 50, 0, wait 2 seconds, glide 2.5 seconds, negative 50, 0. That'll basically make it so the cameras are kind of looking around. Let's test this out here. So when we open our cameras, Let's make this go up. Oh, there it is. Let's probably switch to. Oh, hey. Just go back the amount of layers you want. Make sure the button's on the front layer. You can see you can look at the cameras. It's turning around, kind of like that. And then you open it and close it. See, and that's all fine and good, but you need a way to switch to each camera. So this is another sprite. I just call it cam map, and we're going to put when the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, and when I receive screen hide, hide, and when I receive screen show, show, and then when you go, make it go forward a few layers. Oh, screen show, you need to show. Right. Good. Then everything you need for here for right now. Then we're going to actually start working on the buttons. So just make a sprite called cam1. Just make a little button, kind of like something like this, or do whatever you want. I don't care. Make sure it's at the right area. Make this a bit smaller, actually. I want cam1 to be there. And then code we need in this one, add the same when I sprite click, go to 0, 0. When I receive screen show, need it to show. Screen show, show, when I receive screen hide, need to hide. And then duplicate this for how many cameras you need. So this one's called cam2. Gonna rename it here. Cam2, just gonna bring it down somewhere like here. And duplicate this one. Cam3, make sure it's set 0, 0. Cam3. Right here, I think. Duplicate that one. Cam4. That was right here. Right? And then cam5. And cam6. Put these wherever you want. There, perfect. And then for cam1, What you want to do is when this sprite is clicked, broadcast, make a new message, call it blip, and we'll get back to that later. Set, make a new variable, call it cam hashtag camera number to 1, then broadcast cam 1, and then copy and paste this to everything else except changing the numbers. As you can see, we can already switch cameras, but it doesn't look that satisfying, you know. So what we're going to do is we're going to add it so it changes color when it's selected. So we're going to go back to camera 1, make a new costume, duplicate it, and set the color to light green. Then make another costume for everything else, set to the same colors. And then what you want to do is when I receive screen show, we want to do show forever. We want if else if the camera number equals 1, switch to costume 2, else switch to costume 1. And copy and paste that to everything else except changing the numbers to camera 2 and so forth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, we're on cam 1 here. My switches. Do the different cameras. Hi. Great. Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add some static to the camera so it looks good. Just kind of pull up that sprite real quick. There's just like a static, it's basically just different static screens. And then what we're going to do for this one is same thing for everything else. When I receive flag, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive screen show, and then when I receive in-game, set ghost effect to 70 and forever next costume. Have it show then when I receive screen hide, you obviously want it to hide. And make sure it goes back a few layers so it's not, so you can't press the camera buttons. There. You see, it looks really good now, but it's still not juicy enough, you know what I'm saying? You need some game juice. Oh, crap. When I see screen hide, hide. Thank you. And we need to go to 0, 0. So what we're also going to do is set ghost effect to 0. I want the sprite to click to 2. Then what we're going to do is when I receive a new message, call it blur. That's not how you spell blur, but whatever. I'm going to get a sound that I have for this. When I receive blur, import a sound. I already have it. Right. Start sound, the static, set ghost effect to 0, repeat 14 times, change ghost effect by 5, and then set ghost effect to 70. So you can see that when the blur happens, kind of blurs it out and kind of comes back in. Alright, last thing we're going to do is make the blip. So I'm just going to import that sprite real quick. Get that. Hold on. Just import that. Blip. It's like something that just kind of looks like this. Not really fancy. When the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0. Hide. Then when I receive blip, broadcast, blur, switch to costume 1, show, repeat 4 times, next costume, and then hide. That's what we need for that. Let's take a look at everything we made so far, and yeah, so our office, the lights, cameras, we switched to different cameras, blips, and it looks a lot more cool. Alright, so yeah, there's the cameras. And then what you need to do for the next episode, I'm probably going to make the little panel that you fix things with. That's when it starts to get a bit more complicated. Oh yeah, and also remember to hide the camera variables so it doesn't look stupid. So yeah, if you want to add the blinking dot thing, you can. All you have to do is just duplicate this costume, make a dot there, but I don't really care. But yeah, hope you had fun. I know I did. Subscribe and like, comment, tell me what you think, and post your games on my Scratch. And yeah, good luck. Alright, so yeah, there. Bye.